malaki yung dash in. Greet mo naman yung mga fans natin sa language mo.
Siyempre yung Dash Guy, doon kami nagsimula lahat. Yun yung song namin na pre-debut song. And thank you po sa mga idols na nagsuporta since Dash era po. And ngayon, thank you so much, anchors and Julia.
Thank you, guys. Are you ready for the next song?
Yeah!
Mainit. Mainit sa Pinas.
Mainit.
Today, guys, we got to show you a little bit of our fierce energy with Dash, but that's not the only fierce song that we're gonna perform tonight. So, do you guys want to see some more?
Yeah! I can't hear you. Come on, louder, guys. You guys want to hear some more?
Let's go!
Yeah. But of course, we want to say thank you again to JBL. Kasi guys, backstage, they gave us a Christmas gift.
Yeah!
Wow! Grabe na. Grabe yung JBL. Kasi TMI lang, yung una nilang regalo, nawala ko, nawala mo, nawala ni Jiro. Uy, so medyo nagparinig kami. Sabi namin, nawala po yung yung isang buds. Kailangan po namin ng Switch. Pero buti na lang, super generous and
Vegasville family, so they gave us a new pair.
yeah, a new pair. They gave us new pairs and like customized figurines.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Yes, guys, everyone cheer for them in the front. Everyone.
Yes.
Legend!
JBL!
JBL!
JBL! Louder!
BL!
Okay!
JBL!
Okay. Thank you. Alright guys.
Ready na ba kayo sa next performance?
Hindi pa ba? I can hear you guys! Are you guys ready for the next one? Kailan kamusta yung mga sila dyan? Medyo tahimik sila dyan eh.
Guys, ready na ba kayo?
Ay, yung mga nandito naman, are you guys ready? Oh. Okay, mukhang ready na sila, Kuya Vinci.
Let's go.
They're ready.
Okay. Let's
Thank
go.
you.